Nancy, it's okay. Nancy, what's up? Nancy! 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 Is that okay? Nancy, do you like that? Do you like the box? Do you like it? Is it fun? Whoa. How much is that doggy in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that doggy in the window? I do wish that doggy's for sale. Hope it's for sale. This is, Nancy, how do you feel about that box on your head? Do you like the box? Is that, do you like root beer, Nancy? Nancy, is this performance art? I'm not sure how much memory I have. Nancy? You're being a good doggy. Do you want to run around a little? Honey? You want to run around? Honey, do you want a treat, maybe? Nancy, do you want to go play house? Do you want a cookie? Do you want a big steak? Want to go for a walk? Want to go to the park? Want to play with Kelly? Yeah? Are you afraid of the dark, honey? Nancy, do you have self-esteem issues? You're a very pretty doggy. Nancy, I love you. Nancy, Nancy, come on. Come to Mama. Can you come? Nancy, come. Nancy, come. Nancy, I don't know how much memory I have. Nancy.